Explore the fascinating new world of data governance, where organization, trust, and knowledge come together. Watch this video to deepen your understanding of data governance and its significance. You will also ensure your company is at the top of the tree in this vital domain. Unveil the importance of data governance in today's digital era as you internalize why it has become an absolute necessity. Get access to this feature-packed presentation now and grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. Understand the underlying causes behind companies' data governance challenges, spanning organizational issues, data quality concerns, migration and integration complexities, accountability, ownership dilemmas, and cost implications. This resource discusses manual and automated data governance, employing simple-to-follow diagrams. Gain clarity on the distinctions between these approaches, empowering you to make well-informed decisions. You will also explore a data governance framework encompassing data standards, policies, processes, and organizational structure. Get this content-ready deck on data governance now from the given link and start building a safe and secure business. Dig deep into intricate details of data governance roles and responsibilities, including strategic, tactical, operational, and supportive functions, and delve into each role's distinct purpose and contribution. Gain extensive hands-on expertise on establishing a data governance program with the outlined 6-step process: assign, plan, decide, implement, monitor, and assess. This complete deck is your one-stop solution to ensure the integrity, quality, and security of data. Download it now. For more presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.